In this video, you will see how to download and install the Samsung Smart Switch application on your Windows or Mac, how to use it, and how to back up and restore your data. This is a complete guide, so don't miss a second. Let's get started. To download Samsung Smart Switch, open any browser and search Samsung Smart Switch. Click on the official website link. This is the exact site you are looking for. Scroll down and choose your system, Windows or Mac. Once downloaded, the file will be in your downloads folder. Double click it to start the installation. After installation completes, you will find a shortcut automatically added to your desktop. Click the desktop shortcut to open the app. This is the first interface you will see. Now connect your mobile phone using a cable to begin the backup or restore process. You will see two main options, backup and restore. Backup sends all your files and data from your phone to your computer as a copy. Restore brings everything back to your phone, useful after a factory reset or major software update. Select backup to open a menu where you can choose exactly what to include. Settings, apps, messages, calls, contacts, and more. You will also see the file format option. In this example, we are keeping it as SPBM. Once you have selected your files, click backup and wait for the process to complete. The time depends on your data size. All backed up files are now stored on your computer. Once done, you can safely disconnect your phone and proceed with a format or update. Bonus tip, you can also use this tool to simply copy photos and videos from your phone to laptop, a handy alternative to quick share. To restore your data exactly as it was, follow the same steps. Connect your phone, click restore and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. This is how you use Samsung Smart Switch on Windows or Mac to backup and restore data from your Samsung mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with anyone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and reviews like this.